Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the genicular anastomosis around the knee joint. So in order to remember it, we will see 6 anastomosis around the knee joint. So first of all, let us see the side determination. The above one is superior, below one is inferior, this is medial side and this is lateral side. Now let us see the anastomosis around the knee joint or anastomosis around the back of the thigh. So first anastomosis is between the descending genicular artery. Okay, this one is descending genicular artery, is a branch of femoral artery. Okay, this descending genicular artery, and between the superior medial genicular artery. This one is superior medial genicular artery. This is the first anastomosis, and the second anastomosis is between the descending genicular artery and inferior medial genicular artery. So this side is medial side and this side is lateral side. So the arteries which are present here is medial side artery, okay, medial genicular arteries, and the arteries which are present here is lateral genicular arteries. So now descending genicular artery, right, this descending genicular artery anastomosis with the inferior medial genicular artery. This is the second anastomosis, okay, and the third anastomosis is between the, this is superior medial genicular artery, right, between the superior medial genicular artery and between the inferior medial genicular artery. This is the third anastomosis. So once again, on the medial side there are 3 anastomoses. First is between the descending genicular artery and superior medial genicular artery, this one, okay, and second anastomosis is between the descending genicular artery and inferior medial genicular artery, and third anastomosis is between the superior medial genicular artery and inferior medial genicular artery. Okay, now let us go to the lateral side. Okay, so only in medial side there are only 3 anastomoses around the knee joint. Now let us go for the lateral side. In the lateral side, this coming artery, right, this artery, this is nothing but descending branch of circumflex femoral artery. This one is descending branch of circumflex femoral artery. Okay, this anastomosis with the superior, this side lateral, right, lateral genicular arteries. So that is superior lateral genicular artery. This one is superior lateral genicular artery. So the fourth anastomosis is between the, this is descending branch of circumflex femoral artery, this one, and with the superior lateral genicular artery. Okay, once again, it is between the descending genicular branch of circumflex femoral artery and superior lateral genicular artery. Okay, now fifth anastomosis is between the, this superior lateral genicular artery and inferior lateral genicular artery. So here we see, right, we already saw this is between the superior medial genicular artery and inferior, this one, superior medial genicular artery and inferior medial genicular artery. This one is superior lateral genicular artery, inferior lateral genicular artery. Okay, that's all. There is no confusion here. I hope you understood. Now the sixth anastomosis only have to remember somewhat extra. That is nothing but the, this is inferior lateral genicular artery, right? It gives 3 branches. Okay, the 2 branches will anastomosis with the anterior tibial artery branches, and only 1 branch from the inferior lateral genicular artery anastomosis with the posterior tibial artery branch. That is nothing but circumflex fibular branch of posterior tibial artery. This one is nothing but circumflex fibular branch of posterior tibial artery. Okay, then the anterior tibial artery branches are anterior and posterior recurrent branches of anterior tibial artery. Anterior and posterior branches, recurrent branches of anterior tibial artery. So the posterior tibial artery comes in the back side, and along the fibula it gives the one of the branch like circumflex fibular branch of posterior tibial artery. Okay, now once again let us see the lateral side first. So the fourth anastomosis is between the descending branch of circumflex femoral artery and superior lateral genicular artery, and the fifth anastomosis is between the superior lateral genicular artery and inferior lateral genicular artery, and the sixth anastomosis is between the inferior lateral genicular artery and anterior and posterior recurrent branches of anterior tibial artery and with the circumflex fibular branch of posterior tibial artery. Okay, that's it. So once again, to summarize everything in, so the first anastomosis is between the descending genicular artery with the superior medial genicular artery. This is first anastomosis. The second anastomosis is between the descending genicular artery and inferior medial genicular artery. The third anastomosis is between the superior medial genicular artery with the inferior medial genicular artery. Okay, that's all for the medial side. On the lateral side, it is between the descending genicular branch of circumflex femoral artery with the superior lateral genicular artery. The fifth anastomosis is between the superior lateral genicular artery with the inferior lateral genicular artery. Next, the sixth anastomosis is between the inferior lateral genicular artery with the anterior and posterior recurrent branches of anterior tibial artery and with the circumflex fibular branch of posterior tibial artery. So in this video we have been clearly learnt about the genicular anastomosis around the knee joint or anastomosis around the back of the thigh clearly. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching.